Hello, this video is from when I went travelling with my girlfriend. Not last Christmas, but the Christmas before. We went to a very cold place. The temperature was about 35 degrees below zero. That's minus 35. You can see it was very early in the morning. The sun was about to rise over the hills in the background. What were we doing? Maybe you've seen people doing this before. We were throwing boiling water in the air, and because it was so cold, the water would immediately turn into something that looks like snow and float away. Despite the fact that it was so cold, we had a lot of fun, and it was an unforgettable experience. In this clip, my girlfriend thought she wasn't recording, but she actually was. Then, when I was about to throw the boiling water, she counted down 3, 2, 1, and she thought she hit record, but in fact she pressed stop. I was a little annoyed at the time, but now I think it was funny.
Take 2.
Here you can see a man. He was our tour guide for a few days. Now he's showing her the best way to throw the water to make it look more beautiful.
Good job. All right.
Now he's filling the small thermos flask with boiling water from the big flask. You can see there were a few other groups there too, enjoying this wonderful experience, the same as us. Can you guess where we were? Write in the comments if you think you know. Have you ever done this? Would you like to try it?
Good job, honey. 哇，厉害！哦，别着急啊，别着急，来吧，甩吧。哎，